guys, Tav HD here, and today we are doing an unboxing of the Logitech Z120 or Z120 if you're here in the UK. So if you look at the box, it tells you the technical specifications as they call it. Tells you on the back as well. Picture on the side, it tells you the features. Back to the front, there's the picture. So we're going to open this up. There's some plastic stickies on the back that we've got to remove. Then once we've pulled that up, yeah, it's kind of ripped the box, but it doesn't matter. We can open the top. And then there are the instructions on how to use the speakers. If we move that to the side, we can see the contents in there. First, let's take out the instruction manual. Then we have the first speaker here attached to its cable. These both seem to be attached at the moment. Take those out, put them to the side. Everything in that box, so we can move that. Then let's look at the speakers. Okay, so they're in bubble wrap, so what we can do is open this and get them out. Okay, there's one of the speakers, and I have gone for the white option. And then I'll just get the other one out now. Okay, so now we can take the plastic off this one to expose the speaker, and here they are. And then there is a bag over the cable as well, so we can attempt to take that off. Okay, so now we can see the length of the cables. They do seem to be a little bit tangled, so once I've undone these, we'll have a closer look. Okay, so the cables are now all separated. Let's set them up. Okay, here's my laptop. So we're going to plug the speakers into that. And to use the speakers, what we need to do is power it through USB and then plug in the 3.5mm audio jack. So I can plug in the USB to the side of my laptop and also the audio. So let's turn on my laptop and see if they work. Okay, so initially the speakers aren't turned on. So if we look on this speaker here, you can see there's a dial. When I turn that, a light comes on, and now the speakers are on their highest volume. So what I'm going to do is turn my laptop up to full, and then we can control the volume through the speakers to see if they work. So let's choose something to listen to and see if it works. Tav HD here, and today I'll be doing a What's in My Gut. So yes, they appear to work. Let's try some music. Okay, let's try. Yes, they do seem to work, and they do go quite loud, and there is quite a lot of bass considering it is a 2.0 system. So I think that's everything you need to know about these speakers. Hope you enjoyed, and goodbye.